So here's an example of a ripple tank that you can find online, and I'll post the link below, but we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a wall here. And notice I'm going to stretch this wall. And what you're going to remember is that it's always going to be the angle between the wall and the wave. So here we have the wave. I'm going to actually transform the wave into what's called a plane wave. So let's see. I know it's somewhere here. Oh, single source. Okay, and then after we can go ahead and make it like a plane wave. There we go. All right. No, and then after at the wall again. Okay, so what we're going to see is that you notice it always has to be the angle between the barrier and the wall here. So you have the barrier and the wave, and the angle between them right now is, well, notice this wall is facing this way and this wall is going this way. So the barrier is coming in at the wall perpendicular to it. So we call that, start measuring that off as 0. So I'm going to go ahead and send out a wave. Go ahead and get started. Okay. You're going to notice, yeah, you see that these waves will actually start bouncing backwards here. Okay. So this is what we call basically our first one, which is at 0 degrees. Okay. And you can go ahead and see that here. But you can see our angle is dependent between this wall and this barrier. So this is how you're going to set yours up. You're going to send out like a wave that's very plain. You may need like a stick or something to do it, or a flat surface. And then after, you're going to use some sort of barrier. And basically you're going to start measuring, the angle of the barrier compared to the angle of the wave. So notice, compared to the angle of the wave, like this is at full on, well, this is perpendicular to it. Okay, so we see that that's 0 degrees, and we keep moving from there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and keep moving and show you another example in just a moment. And you're going to see how this changes. Now I can go ahead and I can change the angle. And you're going to notice how this is going to change. We're going to let for that to clear up. Actually, we're going to just clear the wave. You're going to see that if you go ahead and change the angle, the wave is actually going to go ahead and travel differently. It's always going to, well, you notice the barrier now between the wave and the angle is always going to be a little different. So now the wave is traveling at this line here, and we can stop it. So now it's not 0 degrees, it's like bouncing off and going off in this direction. So what we're going to do this week, and what you're going to actually try out with these simulations, or if you want to try making your own ripple tank, or if you want to try the other simulation on PhET, is actually seeing how changing the angles will actually transform the wave, and what angle is it going to go? Is there a pattern to it? All right, good luck with this, and I'll see you next time.